Hi guys, welcome to PyDjango tutorials. So as you know, in the last video we understand the basics of the API and how API works. We understand the request and processing, how request and processing works in API. So from this video we will continue on working on Django REST framework. So Django REST framework is a powerful and flexible toolkit for building web APIs, and it is not necessary that you should use Django REST framework. You can use plain Django also if you want to make your web APIs now, but we will use Django REST framework, and I will tell you why we will use Django REST framework and why it is important to use Django REST framework. So one of the reason for using Django REST framework is that it is web browsable API. This is mostly matters to developer. You can test the APIs in your browser itself. Uh, Another main reason for using Django REST framework is that serialization in Django REST framework supports ORM Django ORM queries. So this is one major advantage of using Django REST framework. And another reason for using Django REST framework is that authentication policies in Django REST framework supports both authentication policies OAuth 1 and OAuth 2. If you ever worked with APIs before, you know what these OAuth 1 and OAuth 2 are. It is a means to authenticate your APIs. So Django REST framework actually supports both these uh, authenticating policies, and that's the main reason why we will use Django REST framework and not any other tools and frameworks out there. Also, Django REST framework has an extensive documentation and great community support, so this is another reason of using Django REST framework above any other tools and frameworks present. And Django REST framework is a trusted toolkit used internationally by recognized companies like Heroku itself or Mozilla Firefox. So this is the main reason why we should use Django REST framework. It is highly scalable and secure also. So let's get started with our integration and installation of Django REST framework for our Django project. So we will begin with our installation of Django REST framework. And by the way, the prerequisites for this course is only that you should have basic knowledge of how Django works, how model and views works in Django, and obviously if you know Django, so you must be comfortable in Python also. So these are only few basic prerequisites that you need. Other than that, you're good to go with the tutorial. So let's begin with the installation process. Install Django REST framework on your virtual environment. All you have to do is a pip install Django REST framework. Just hit enter. So if you already have Django REST framework installed on your virtual environment, you should see something like this requirement already satisfied, or it will install the REST framework from starting. So now we have successfully installed Django REST framework. So from the next video we will create a brand new project in Django, and we will integrate our Django REST framework into the project, and we will build our first API, first working API. Now also I want you to install this app called Postman. We will not be creating any brand new script file to handle API or to make API requests. We will use this amazing application called Postman. I'm sure many of you might have heard about it. So this is where we can make, get, post, put patch request and everything. We can do almost everything with the API. So I will be using this application instead of creating an additional script file to handle the request. So make sure you installed it. I'll drop the link to the official website to download this application. So make sure you download it from here. Just download it, and that's all. That's you don't have to do anything extra to get started with Postman. So that's it for this video. From next video we will continue on making our brand new API. and we will create our first project, and we will see how we can create working API, basic working API, and then we will gradually proceed from there. Thank you so much for watching once again, and please guys, do make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.